I'll show you how to make welt pockets the easy way. To make or practice welt pockets, you need 3 fabric pieces. A long piece for the pocket bag, a shorter piece for the welt, and your main fabric. So this is your pattern piece where you will be making the pocket in. And then you need a little piece of fusible interfacing to reinforce the pocket opening. Then draw this shape on the fusible interfacing with a pen. So you have a rectangular shape, that's the opening of the pocket, then a line in the middle and 2 little triangles at the end. This is what it should look like, and you fuse it to the wrong side of your main fabric where the pocket should go. Cut the line in the middle and the 2 little triangles through all 4 layers. Make sure to cut until the corners. Now stitch on the rectangle through all layers. Push the outside fabric through the other 2 layers. Now lay all the pieces flat, the seams as well. Pull the corners a little so there's no puckers, and iron all the seams. So this is the pocket opening, and this is how it looks underneath. You fold your welt fabric up towards the top of the pocket hole and iron a crease. This is what it looks like at the front, and now you top stitch all around without grabbing the top crease. Cut the welt fabric shorter if it's too long. Fold the bag piece up and sew the pocket bag closed. Watch out not to grab the other layers, just the pocket bag layers. Now finish the edges of the pocket bag with pinking shears or your serger, and this is it. Your welt pocket is ready.